if your business could make you money while you travel the world or relax on the beach or sit on vacation like I am right now here in Cancun on spring break? Well, most people really overcomplicate this. On this video, I'm going to share with you the one hire and the only hire you need to make this happen. I'm going to give you the complete game plan, the standard operating procedure, and how you can make this happen for yourself very quickly. All right, so the one role that you need in order to make this happen for yourself, create a business where it can make you money while you're on vacation, again, like I am right now in Cancun on spring break with the family, is that you need an amazing virtual executive assistant, or as I like to call it in my business, the assistant executive. And there is an important distinction there. You see, an executive assistant is someone that kind of helps you with everything, but they're your assistant. An assistant executive, although it's very similar, it is a little bit of a mindset shift because your assistant executive is someone that actually thinks like an executive. This is a leadership position, not an entry-level assistant order taker. So let me walk you through what this person does and why this is so critical to your business. But first of all, let me move over to a different location, show you more of this amazing resort where I am now. Because if I'm gonna do a video while on vacation talking about how my business runs while I'm away, I gotta show you more of this amazing place where I am. So for spring break, we decided to take a trip down to Cancun. I gotta tell you, most of the people here are from Texas, so it kind of feels like Texas moved into Cancun, but that's okay. And by the way, in this video, I'm also gonna share with you how I can help you make the hiring process of this assistant executive very, very easy. There is a link down below where you can grab your free ultimate assistant executive blueprint for hiring someone amazing in your business right now. If you already have an assistant, you can also use that to refine your process. I've got a great standard operating procedure there that you can grab. So definitely go check that out, download it for free, and take it from there. All right, so first and foremost, what does your assistant executive do? Well, this person is going to be the foundation of your entire team. Now, a lot of people want to skip ahead and either hire inside salespeople, like me. I've done this before, I've made this mistake. Or number two, they want to hire fulfillment people, right? And so the reason this is a mistake is because if you do that, now what you're becoming is you become a manager. You have to manage multiple people. So now you have to manage an inside salesperson, a fulfillment person, a social media manager, and all these people. And you develop an organization that fully relies on you, where again, you become the bottleneck. So every time you go away, everyone's looking at you for answers. They're asking you questions and all this kind of stuff. That is not what you want. What you want is you want one person in charge of everything that is then going to oversee the rest of your team. That's why we call it the assistant executive. So the first and most important thing that you want this person to do is have leadership skills, either prior or that they can develop, because what they're going to be doing is eventually they're going to be helping you hire your next team member. They're going to be helping you build out your entire organization. What this person ultimately is going to do initially is, of course, they're going to manage your email, your calendar, your phone calls, your voicemails, your schedule, your appointments, and all of these kinds of things. So just think about for a second what you can accomplish if you have someone that is overseeing all of that for you, taking care of all of that for you, and you don't have to worry about doing all of those things. On average, what we find is a great assistant executive is going to save you over 20 hours a week. That's 20 hours that you can put right back into your business in the form of lead generation for now, to grow your business, to grow your revenue, to get that amazing return on investment. So those are some of the major tasks that the assistant executive is going to do for you. Let me share some specific things, show you a little brief schedule and some samples, and then again, share with you some more about how you can hire this person, how we can help you do that at All Star VAs. Okay, so let's go through some specifics. So this is our All Star VAs Executive Administrative Assistant SOP kit, which stands for Standard Operating Procedure Kit. Again, you can download this down below. Go ahead and click the link and check that out. But here are the top 50 tasks that your executive administrative assistant is going to do, or again, as I call it, the assistant executive. So we're not going to go through all 50 on this video. You can download that, but the main tasks are really, as I mentioned, managing the calendar. If you do any traveling, coordinating the travel arrangements. Hey, look, this trip, my executive assistant could have done that for me. All your meeting agendas, personal tasks for sure. Serve as a point of contact between you and everyone else. This is really what I was talking about here, because you want this person to do all of those things so that you can focus on the high-level money-making activities. You know, research and compile information for everything that you need. Organize and manage everything that you need. Your emails, your calendar, your voicemail, your appointments, and all of these other things. So as you can see, there are so many amazing tasks that this person can do. We also have in here your 30, 60, 90-day plan. So what you're going to do during the first 30 days, what you're going to do during the first 60 days, and then the first 90 days. And of course, when you talk to us or when you hire us to help you hire this person, we are going to actually get way more in depth on how to do this to make sure that you do it right. Now, as I mentioned, you know, you're going to have the SOP kit. You can do this yourself. If you already have an executive assistant, you can actually apply this to what you do with that person. But this is here to help you. Now, KPIs, very important. What is a KPI? Key performance indicators. What you can think here is really like your scoreboard. So every position in your company has to have a scoreboard. If it doesn't, you're playing a game and there's no scoreboard up. So you don't know if you're winning or losing. So this is something that you can use, or you can actually customize and make your own. But KPIs are very, very important. We also have a sample schedule for you here on what you could do Monday through Friday with your executive assistant. Also talk about some of the software this person's going to use. And then in terms of pricing, an executive assistant right now, market rate's going to be about $4 an hour for that person. So for $4 an hour, you can get someone that runs your entire business for you, again, so that it can make money for you while you're out here on vacation, okay? We also have some software stuff. And then what you can do is go to allstarvas.com. All right, so when you go to allstarvas.com, you can see that we can help you install this cost-effective virtual assistant and system so that you can really have this amazing business where you're on vacation, you're at the beach, wherever you want to be. Now, when you get here, you can watch a short little video. It'll describe what we do. But the most important thing is I want you to go ahead and click schedule a demo call. This is absolutely free. We'll show you exactly what we do, how we do it. We'll go through everything with you. We'll do a deep dive into your business to really see exactly what you need. So you're going to click schedule a demo call. Little calendar is going to come up here, and you can go ahead and select any day you want. You're going to pick that day. You're going to pick the time. You're going to click next. You're going to put your information in right here, schedule that event, and then what's going to happen is that you are going to have an amazing call with one of our team members that's going to go over your business, exactly what you need, and we're going to share with you how we can help you, the exact virtual assistant, executive administrative assistant that we can install into your business, and how that's going to get you a tremendous return on that investment in terms of the time you get back. Again, a lot of our clients are getting back at least 20 hours of time back into their business, and this will help you grow that business that's going to allow you to make money from anywhere. All right, so now that you know the most important hire that you need to make in your business to allow you to go on vacation, sit on the beach, and really go anywhere you want, have that freedom and that autonomy that you got into business to have, what you need to do next is install a 30-day blueprint in order to create that business that runs without you. And you can do that by checking out this video right over here.